Hi there, welcome to CodeWalker. I'm really excited to show you our new app. It's an app designed to help people learn how to code. So I'm going to jump in and we're going to check it out so you can see it kind of above me. So you start off, you log into the app and you would start off by watching a video, and we'll click this video and you can see it's kind of going to explain a concept to you and then demonstrate a simple activity. And then when you're ready, you can pause it, you can push play again. There's a little bar here that you can drag to jump around, or you can click on this instructions link, and it'll kind of give you a rundown of what the video is about and what you're supposed to do for your activity. And then when you're ready to do your activity, you can click Start Activity here. And then this brings you into our editor. And so our editor is really powerful, and we're really excited about it because it shows you, we've designed some features that really help beginners, and they're really designed for people who aren't experienced coders. So you'll start off here, you'll see on the top left, there are these tabs of different categories of blocks. And so we decided to use block coding because block coding allows it reduces the amount of typing that you have to do, which we've noticed that a lot of our users or a lot of our learners struggle with typing, and so this is a way to kind of ease them into it, so they don't have to type. So you see here, you've got these blocks, you can roll over them, and they explain a little bit about what they are, and then you can drag and drop them into our editor. And you notice it highlighted yellow there. They snap together. They're kind of like Lego blocks. And they won't snap together in ways that they're not supposed to go. And this is also another really important feature. When you're coding, it's not always clear where code is supposed to go, and so the block coding kind of helps you by restricting where you can put code. So you'll see here, if I try to put a block where it doesn't go, it doesn't highlight. And actually, if I drop it somewhere it doesn't go, it'll draw this little dotted line around it to show that it doesn't know where this code doesn't fit anywhere. And so you can only go where it highlights. And this is really helpful for you to help learn where code should go. And so we can jump in here. So normally I would be explaining, actually first let's do a really simple example. So I'd be explaining what these blocks do, but I'm not going to do that because I'm just demonstrating that. But you'll notice here I dragged and dropped this little block, and now we can see there's a preview up there of some text, the text that I added, and I can go in and I can change that text to whatever I want. Oops, nice misspelled world. There we go. So now I can preview. I get a preview of what my app is going to look like. And if I decide I don't want this, I can drag and drop it back in here, and it removes it. We can jump in and get really advanced here. You see some of these blocks are pretty complex, and we can do some pretty advanced stuff with them really quickly, which makes this really fun. And it reduces the amount of typing that you have to do. And you can see here, I'm going to put together like a cute little app that I did in seconds. And you can too. So I've showed you a little bit about the drag and drop elements. There's also some extra features. If you roll over the bottom right little menu button there, you can see some more menus pop up. So the first one is we can switch our editor mode. So I can switch out of block mode. So if I don't want to use the Lego blocks, if I just want to type with just the keyboard, I can do that here, and it works just the same. It updates the same. And if I'm feeling like, oh, maybe I'm not quite ready for typing mode, I can switch back to block mode at any time. So that's a great feature because it allows people who are really okay with typing to type if they want to, and then people who want that little bit of extra help, they can stick in block mode until they're ready to make the switch over. Another feature here is I can change my preview to be full screen, so I can see what it looks like on a bigger screen. I can also So once I'm done, I would submit my answer, and then that would take me to the next step, which I'm not going to do yet. You can also click this Get Help button, which will put you in touch with someone who can help you if you're stuck. So if you don't understand a concept or the video really didn't do it for you, you can feel free to click that to get some extra help. And lastly, if you realize you went way off the rails and you just want to clear out everything you did, you can click this Clear Your Answer, and that'll clear out everything you've done. So we're really excited about this app. You can go to learn.codewalker.institute to check out the app, sign up. It's totally free, and I look forward to seeing every one of you there. Have a good one.